Did you know sneezing can launch mucus and saliva as far as 27 feet within seconds? After the release, the germ-filled mist stays in the air for several minutes, according to research from MIT. This is why sneezing, as well as coughing, is a major concern for schools preparing to reopen during the pandemic. With energetic kids around, implementing hygiene practices like covering one's mouth while sneezing or coughing at all times could be difficult. One of the best ways to prevent the spread of viruses, bacteria, and other disease-causing microbes at schools is by using sneeze guards and protective dividers. These transparent protective dividers create a wall around front-facing workstations, student desks, tables, kiosks, and more. The units actively block the transmission of sneezes and coughs around individuals or small spaces. These walls also help keep equipment in the area clean, such as computers, chairs, lamps, books, and cups. Sneeze guards are easy to set up and maintain, only requiring a thorough wipe down at the end of the day. Larson Electronics offers a myriad of heavy-duty sneeze guards for schools reopening in coming weeks. Standard models are made out of 1/4 inch thick clear PETG, which is stronger than acrylic, and do not require tools to assemble. Metal non-transparent dividers are available for protection in rugged areas of the school. For active air sanitation, we offer metal dividers with UV air sanitizers. The air sanitizer cleans surrounding air using UVC germicidal lamps located at the top of the sneeze guard. This no-contact disinfection process is quiet and continuous. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.